Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this video I'm so excited about because I haven't done a video like this for a long time, and it's a come shop with me in B&M. So this was a really random trip. I actually just took my camera and actually seen loads of new things in B&M. So I thought I will get my camera out and just film it. This was the other day, so this is me in the future as I'm editing it. And basically I am going to be talking over so I'm voicing over the shop with me because I thought I was wearing a mask and all of that, so that I just thought you're not going to hear me, it's quite stressful, and I really wanted you to see exactly what was new in at B&M. So yeah, if you want to see what's new in at B&M, then come and shop with me and continue to watch. So I hope that you do enjoy it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll let you carry on and watch what's in B&M.
Okay, so when I was first going in, the thing I noticed the most was the special buys. They had a lot in the sale, which I thought was really good. Lots of like cleaning bundles and stuff like that. Absolutely loved these flowers, and this bath tray, £4, not bad at all. So yeah, there was lots of things in the sale, lots of bargains to be had. I did like this bathrobes thing, and yeah, they also had bundles of cloths, which I thought was a steal at £2, and they looked like they're really good quality. I loved this cleaning little caddy, little cleaning basket. It was so cute, and it was only £1. I thought it was just literally adorable, and I can't believe I didn't pick it up. I'm kind of regretting that now. Okay, so they had a lot of these bottles with the initials on. Absolutely loved these, loved the rose gold, and it was only £3. They're so affordable in here for their bottles and packed lunch stuff. I thought I would show you if you've got any kids going back to school, if you're looking to get packed lunch boxes, because we're all going to be needing them at the moment. I know I'm looking for them as well, but I'm also looking to see if Isabella will pick hers. So yeah, they had lots of choice here. They had Fortnite and all of that, and I just thought I would show you in case you are looking and want to know what's in B&M with the packed lunch stuff back to school. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love. So as you know, I am currently looking for tea, coffee and sugar caddies, and I loved this silver one. Absolutely loved it. Can you guess I didn't actually pick it up? I can't believe I didn't. I think I was just busy filming, and they had loads of mugs in and new mugs that I haven't seen in B&M, and I loved this one, and I also loved the Boss Lady one. And yeah, I do love something with a good quote on it, and this is my quote I love: dream plan do. I've actually got that on my Facebook. I also loved these placemats, and they had lots of coasters and stuff. And yeah, I'm looking for placemats at the moment as well, but I'm being really fussy. But look at the prices of these, they're really not bad at all. And also, if you look down here, we found the ones that I use for Christmas. So I love the silver glittery ones for Christmas. And lots of you have been asking me where I got my chopping board from, my marble one, and it is from B&M, and it's only £3, so affordable. They had a lot of marble stuff in. These looked a bit more like cream marble, which I wasn't quite sure on. And yeah, they had the pink things. I have seen them pink cups before, and I've seen that print quite a lot in B&M recently, well, quite for ages actually, so that's nothing really that new, but I thought I would show you them anyway. We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and So I really love these pink lanterns. They were £6 and I just thought, how stunning are they? And also these little candle holders at £4.99. I mean, that is an absolute bargain. I just love lantern. It's coming up to that season where lanterns are going to make your home really cozy, and I just really loved it. And then they had the bigger one there. I was really tempted to pick them up, but I will show you in a little while in this video. There was a few more I liked. I also liked these, and I liked the pineapple in silver, and they had some nice little trays and things like that. So yeah, they had lots of little new decorating stuff, like decorative stuff, for candles and all of that. So I was really in my element when I was having a look. And look at this for £2, hold your candles. I think they're so cute, so glam. And yeah, I also loved the rose gold theme and the normal gold. So this is like more gold. So it had a lot of that going on in there as well. And these candle holders were absolutely beautiful. So yeah, loved it all.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning. Blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Right.
So I noticed across the store, the new thing in is accents of black accessories for your home. I absolutely loved the look of these things. I feel like they give a really classy, edgy look to your home, and I'm considering adding some black accessories to my home too. And yeah, I love this clock. Everyone asked where I got my silver clock from. It was B&M and it was £12. And it wasn't that one exactly, but you know what I mean. And look at this lantern. It screams Christmas to me. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I managed to find a C, my letter, in one of these sort of things. Is anyone like me and never finds their initial in a shop? It's always sold out, and literally it made me far too happy than it should have made me, but I was loving it because I see my initial. They also had some really lovely lamps and lighting. You'll see in a second my favourite lamp. I absolutely love this lamp. It's only £19.99, and how stunning. It was really big as well. How stunning would that be on your bedside tables? I did want to pick that up. My car was actually parked quite far away and I couldn't carry it all, and I needed to get curtain poles. So yeah, they had some stunning lamps. I've not seen lamps like this in B&M for a very, very long time, if ever.
'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey, you know I dream about you night and day. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away, I can't live without you, breathe. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything.
Okay, so for the bathroom, they also had a lot of pastel colours. I love this rainbow bath mat. It was absolutely stunning. And look at all the pastel colour bath mats, £4 each. It's really not bad at all. And yeah, like little laundry baskets. I absolutely love that. Could be good for toy storage as well. And they had a lot of glam stuff in. I loved these hand towels. And yeah, I really loved the bathroom stuff they had in, to be honest with you. But I wasn't looking to get anything for my bathroom yet, but I think I might have to go back in there and just do my bathroom separately, because look how stunning everything is. I absolutely loved it, and you'll see in a little while there is some black accessories for the bathroom which I really want, and unfortunately they never had the pump that I wanted, so therefore I couldn't get it, because that's what I wanted really. But here's all the black stuff now, and yeah, if you're noticing, that is the theme that I feel like is going into the new season, all like your mustard and black accents. And yeah, I really love them bins, they're really good. And this is the black stuff I was talking about, matte black. How stunning would that look? But they never had the hand wash thing, which is what I really wanted, so I'll have to keep a check on that. And these are the lanterns that I really loved. Them lanterns, black lanterns, how stunning would that be? But yeah, I think I've got a thing for black accessories now. Don't know why, but I think I'm now gonna just basically decorate my house with black accessories.
Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the
Okay, so they had literally the softest and most fluffiest bedding in. I've never seen bedding like it. I loved their entire range. It was so soft, and imagine how cozy you would be in the winter in this bedding. Like, I'm all here for this. So yeah, I will be picking up some of this very soon, because I love it so much. But yeah, they also had some blankets which I thought were really good as Christmas presents. I know I'm saying the word early, but for £5 they were super soft, and they had actual Christmas designs in as well. And how good are they for a little Christmas present? Oh, and here's the lamp again that I absolutely love, because I'm obsessed with it and I wish I picked it up now.
baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside.
They also had some amazing little side tables. That marble one was £15 and this nest was £25. And yeah, they had some lovely little bedside tables I thought would be cute for a girl's bedroom. And that laundry basket there I really wanted for Isabella's room, but they didn't have one that wasn't already open, so I didn't get it unfortunately. But they also had the softest rugs ever. Like, I was literally so impressed with these rugs. I need to get a rug for Isabella's room because she really wants a nice super soft one, but we don't know whether we want to get like a white or a pink to go onto the grey carpet, because we don't actually know what colour scheme we're going for yet. But yeah, they had a lot of burgundies and blacks and golds and green. So this is all like the colours, obviously loads of pink, but there's always pink. But I just feel like the darker colours, they're getting ready for like the autumn, and that is the colours of the season. So yeah, I was really excited to see all of the brand new cushions and throws in.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. So that was everything that was new in at B&M. I literally see so many things and there were so many new trends happening. So I hope that you did enjoy this. If you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.